Let's learn how to loop a video on your iPhone. If you want to create a seamless loop for a specific video or achieve that boomerang effect like you see on Instagram stories, just follow these steps. It's really easy to do. First, head over to the App Store and install a free app called Capcut. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices, and we'll be using it to loop our videos. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new project. This will open your photo gallery, allowing you to import the video you want to loop. Now, your video is on the timeline. I'm going to quickly remove the Capcut watermark at the end of the clip. To do this, simply go to the end of the video and delete the watermark. To create the loop, select your video by tapping on it, then scroll down through the tools until you find the duplicate or copy option. Tap on it to duplicate your video, so you now have two exact copies. Next, select the second video in the timeline that you just duplicated. Scroll down until you find the reverse option and tap it. Wait a few seconds while Capcut reverses the video. This will create that boomerang-style loop. Once you've completed these steps, your video will be looped with a boomerang effect. To save it to your gallery, tap the little arrow icon and that's it.